Alright, up to activity 4 now. We're going to add a background colour, same spelling, to your web page. So we're using the same project as before. We don't need to create a new project yet. I'm going to add in a body tag and a closing body tag. So the body tag needs to go right at the top, just underneath doc type, and the closing body tag just needs to go right at the bottom. So it wraps up everything you've got so far. If we run that now, nothing's going to change because it was actually there before. It was actually just invisible to us. It was there by default, but it didn't actually show it. It is there automatically, but we don't actually need to specify that it's there. What this lets us do though is to actually customize it. So by saying body, we're saying everything on this page right here. And this is the next step is we're going to add in a style exactly like we did here. So if we grabbed that code here, it's exactly the same apart from one word. Background. So let's do that. Let's grab this. Control C and we'll paste it in here. So if I ran that now, nothing would happen because we're missing one key word. Background color. Here we go. So at the moment it's red, which clashes with our heading. So it tells us to go to W3 Schools color picker and choose a color that we'd like to use. I'm going to go this brown and be aware there's lots of different shades that you can choose from here. I'm going to go something like a dark brown. So I'll copy the hexadecimal code over and I'll paste it in instead of the hexadecimal code that's there. And then I'll run that. I can see my text a little bit better. I think actually I might go with black. So if I wanted to choose a specific color, well there it is right down the bottom. But let's say you wanted a specific color that wasn't on this list, you can Google it. And it'll come up for you. Okay, back over to WebMaker here. I've got my web page and it's got a background color. I'll just double check the activity. That's all I had to do for activity 4. Complete. So I'll come back over, export, and I'll send it off.